Greetings, fellow car lovers. Today we're going to tackle the frustrating P0456 code and show you how to fix it like a pro. While the P0456 code is low severity, ignoring it can lead to bigger issues down the road, so let's get started and get your vehicle back in top shape. Alright folks, let's start by breaking down what this P0456 code actually means. Simply put, it indicates a small leak detected in your vehicle's evap system. The evap system captures and stores fuel vapors from your gas tank, so they don't escape into the atmosphere. When there's a small leak in the system, the P0456 code will be triggered. Okay, folks, let's talk symptoms. When it comes to the P0456 code, you're not going to feel like you're driving a tractor or anything. In fact, the only noticeable symptom might just be that pesky check engine light on your dashboard. Now it's time to dive into what can cause this pesky code to appear on your scan tool. There are a few common causes of the P0456 code, including a small leak in any of the evap hoses or fuel tank hoses, a small leak in the purge valve or vent valve, or a leak in the evap canister. These leaks can be caused by a variety of factors, such as wear and tear over time, damage from road debris, or even a loose gas cap. Alright, let's get down to business and fix that P0456 code. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Use a scan tool to activate the vent solenoid, sealing the system. Step 2. Monitor the fuel tank pressure sensor to determine if the system is holding pressure or slowly leaking. Step 3. If the system is slowly leaking, use a smoke machine to locate the leak. Step 4. Once you've located the leak, repair or replace any faulty component in the evap system where the leak is found. This could include replacing a damaged or worn-out hose, tightening a loose connection, or replacing a faulty valve. Please be noted that do not pressurize the evap system with air pressure. This can cause serious damage to the purge and vent solenoids in the system. Boom! You just nailed that P0456 code like a pro. Your evap system is breathing easy now, thanks to your mad skills. But hey, if you're ever stumped by a trouble code, don't sweat it. Just hit up your favorite mechanic or car enthusiast friend for help. And if you want to dive deeper into the world of OBD2 codes, be sure to check out our lookup tool at obdcodex.com. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you dug this video. We've got plenty more where that came from. Thanks for tuning in, and keep on wrenching.